So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this very well maintained 1994 Chevrolet Corvette, finished in its factory Polo Green metallic, riding on those factory saw blade Corvette wheels and that light beige leather interior. This car comes to us highly original, unmolested example of these C4 Corvettes with just over 42,000 original miles. It's an extremely well-maintained car, and you see it throughout. The shiny paint, the very nicely maintained interior. This car is well above average throughout, bumper to bumper. And it is not just a gorgeous looking Corvette, it's a great driving, running car as well. So we'll grab the other cameras, we'll go for a test drive. Sit down and swing it. This is probably one of my favorite colors on the C4.
Yeah, it's definitely one of mine. With the tan interior, it's perfect.
So now we're ready to take a test drive in that beautiful 1994 Chevy Corvette.
Yep.
And that LT1 fires right up. I mean, it's tight. Just, you know, what you would expect from a well-maintained 42,000 mile example. Transmission shifts nice and smooth and firm.
You just tell that this car has been extremely well maintained over the years. I mean, the exterior of this car is excellent throughout. That paint shines beautifully. And the interior, I mean, it presents extremely well.
Yeah, very little age on the interior.
Yeah, and very little wear on the seats. Those are the upgraded sport seats that in the C4s, if you're going to have a C4, these are the seats to have.
Yes.
And they're just the most comfortable, give you the most room. But, I mean, there's little to no wear on the bolsters.
Yeah, I mean, the driver's side's got very little, which, you know, that's the problem area in the C4s, but
Especially the leather cars,
yeah.
But, I mean, the shifter shows like almost no wear. I mean, all your controls are nice and crisp. Every button for the stereo, the AC.
And everything works. I mean,
yeah. The AC is cool, the stereo works. And the car's showing just over 42,000 miles. I don't know what Dad's playing with.
Yeah, I was just checking my... Okay, so the analog temperature gauge doesn't... Well, no, I'm only running 196, so it might be working. Yeah, no, I'm looking at the wrong. I'm looking at the oil temp. So,
yeah.
Look at what I'm doing over here.
So the temp gauges work just like they should.
Yeah.
If you know how to read them.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I mean, this car, I mean, it tracks nice and straight. I mean, you see Dad's not fighting out the steering wheel at all.
No.
Doing about 55 miles an hour down this country road.
Could really benefit from some new tires.
Yeah, tires are a little older. It would definitely help the ride right now because you're getting a little hard.
Yeah.
Well-optioned car, tilt steering, power driver and passenger seats. I mean, AC, AM, FM.
Automatic temperature control.
Yeah. Not as well-optioned as these C4 Corvettes came.
Wipers work, cruise control works.
And it has both of the targa tops. It's got the glass one here, the painted top in the back right now. Both are in excellent condition.
They are.
Brakes stop very well.
They do. I just like that Polo Green metallic.
Oh, for sure. It's a great color on these C4 Corvettes. It just definitely stands out. It's not the typical red or, yeah.
We're going to come around the roundabout, which is always fun in a Corvette. We'll let that 5.7 breathe a little bit. A little over 60. That digital speedo, I keep up, lost track for a second, but pulled strong, just like it should.
Absolutely.
No funny noises, no excuses.
And it sets you back in the seat. I mean, the LT1 was a fun little engine.
Yeah.
It was a great engine. I mean, yeah, it definitely sets you back in the seat. Has no problem pulling us down the road, giving you that sporty Corvette driving experience, even with the 4-speed automatic transmission.
Yeah. I mean, if you're in the market for just a great classic Corvette, one that's going to show very nice at your local Cars and Coffee or
Any cruising or car show.
oh yeah, I mean this car is no excuses.
Turnkey, ready to enjoy. Yeah, just definitely want to stay tuned for that walk around inspection. I mean, it's just going to be more of a highlight reel of that gorgeous Polo Green exterior. It's a great example of these C4 Corvettes, and you're not going to be disappointed. So, yeah, stay tuned.
So now that we're done with the test drive portion of the video, we'll go ahead and get into the inspection portion. And this is going to be a highlight reel of a 31-year-old car that's been very well taken care of. We'll start right here in the driver's side portion of the windshield. Clean, free of any chips or cracks. Coming down to the driver's side portion of the would be the fender area. We do have a real light scratch that's not even through the clear coat. Could be buffed out right there on the fender. Car's riding on its factory Corvette wheels that all 4 of them are in very good condition, wrapped in those Goodyear Eagle tires that dated 2011. Coming across the driver's side portion of the hood is in very good condition. And across the front, we do have, I mean, just a couple real minor little stone chips and cracks, but way less than normal. I mean, this car throughout, well above average throughout the whole car. Your front lenses are nice and clean and clear for your turn signals. Your emblem on the hood is in very good condition. Passenger side portion of the hood, no cracks, no condition items to speak of. Same with the right front fender area. Very nice and clean. And you probably down real low. These C4s are known for stone chips down low, and I'm sure it has a few. We do have a minor little scratch right there on the front end of the door. Your passenger side of the windshield, though, is free of chips and cracks. It's in very good condition. Same with the glass roof. It's in very good condition. Both your side pieces of glass is in very good condition. And your window seal is starting to show a little bit of age in the rubber. And Tyler already showed you the mirror. It's in very good condition. Well above average again, like the rest of the car. The door, not much to speak of. Like I said, where the body wraps down a low, I'm sure there's a few scratches there. Or stone chips. We come in the interior, you'll see a very well maintained factory leather interior.
Door panel is in excellent condition. Power window switch. The emblem is nice and crisp and legible. And the carpet getting into the car shows very little wear until people took care getting in and out of the Corvette. You do have a little bit of wear floor mat into some of your carpet. Really not bad. I mean, it's definitely well above average condition. Your padding and your seats in very good condition. Might just have a couple like little minor nicks in the leather, but nothing that anyone's really going to notice. The bolster on the passenger side is in excellent condition. Visors are still intact. They haven't collapsed yet. And the inside of your glass roof panels in excellent condition. It's not all stress cracked like these tend to. Center console's in very good condition, nice and clean, not warped, not cracked. Same with your dash, nice and straight, fits the car just fine.
So coming back outside of the car, we'll see, we do have a small little stone chip right here. Your rear glass is in excellent condition. Your rear defrost lines are nice and complete. Passenger side rear quarter is in very good condition again. Paint's nice and shiny. Your wheel, very comparable to the first two, in very good condition. Coming across the rear Fascia is in very good condition, nice and straight, not warped. No checking, no cracks in the paint. Open up that rear glass and show you that. Your rear struts work just like they should on their own. The green painted roof is in very good condition. Same with the rear carpet. Looks like it's been sparingly used. And then coming back out to the driver's side quarter, it's in very good condition again. No cracks in the fiberglass. Might have a couple of real minor stone chips, but last wheels in very good condition. Driver's side of all the glass is very good condition. Not seeing any cracks or any items to speak of. Might have some light scuffing. I'm not sure if that's scuffing or
Bug or something.
yeah. Your driver's doors free of cracks. Very good condition. Do have a minor little chip right there. And there again, like I said, down low, that portion of the body that faces the ground, I'm sure there's some minor chipping on there, but your driver's side portion of the interior very comparable to the passenger side in very good condition.
The remote hatch release is nice and crisp and legible. Your driver's side door panel is just as clean as the passenger side, showing little to no wear. Mirror controls, your power window switches, all that's nice and crisp and legible. Carpet again coming into the driver's seat is in excellent condition. Your driver's side bolster showing a little bit more wear than the passenger side, but really not bad for this age of a vehicle, especially for the mileage. Your driver's side carpet and floor mat in excellent condition. And the padding in the seat is still very good. The steering wheel is in very good condition, just some light age and wear present. All your dash controls are nice and crisp and legible. They haven't worn off. Your center console again, very straight, not warped. And with your power seat controls.
Coming under the hood, you'll see a very unmolested engine compartment housing that great 5.7 liter V8. And I'll jump in the car, start it up, and show you some lights working.
5.7 liter LT1 V8 car is going up to the second still. No tweaking, no weird sounds at all. It's nice and smooth. I'll show you some lights working. There's your headlights, your brights, fog lamps, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, fog lamps. Both of your headlights open and close together, so all your front lights work just like they should. You've got your running lights, brake lights, driver's side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your lights work just as they should.
So if you're in the market for a Corvette, sports car that you can take to any local cruise-in or car show and will stand tall and is turnkey, ready to enjoy, it's been extremely well maintained. Definitely want to take a close look at this beautiful Polo Green 1994 Chevy Corvette. Rock Solid Motorsports.